Yo, what's good, my people? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor. If you didn't know me, now you know. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you got that notification bell on because when I drop a new video, you're going to get notified. That's for sure. And I'm just here to help you guys out, to pump you up, to tell you that realistically, pipelining ain't everything. Welding pipe ain't everything. Being a rig welder ain't everything. So don't get fixated on just going out there and chasing a dream that somebody else might have. It might be your dream, it might be your plan, but I'll tell you what, there's loopholes out there to make this money, to go and get this cash. Let's be realistic. You got to quit focusing on the outcome, start focusing on the income. When something like this tragic happens in the world and you're unable to go out there and secure the work, you got to figure out what it's going to take to go out there and bring the income in for your family, right? For years, I've saved this money because I always prepared myself for a situation that just might arise. I never knew this pandemic was going to happen, and I didn't know they were going to shut down businesses, and I didn't know that everybody was going to be suffering and hurting. But you know what? I planned for something like this, and for years I put money away saving, knowing that if I broke my leg or I broke my hands or something exploded in my face and took my eyeballs, I'd be prepared, I'd be set up. So don't look at life as a one-step process. You got to look at life as a 10-step process. You got to be 10 steps ahead of yourself on almost anything you do. You got to think ahead. You got to think, what's the next move? What's his next move? What's their next move? Almost a year from now, what are they going to be doing? You got to always be thinking ahead of what could happen. For many years, I've been on these pages dedicated to showing you guys how to go out there and capture your dreams. And I've shown you guys my techniques. And I got these workshops and these one-on-one set up to show you my skill. But I'll tell you what, it's not everything to weld pipe. The real key and true to success of anything is heart. You got to have it in here. Because if you don't give it out there, nobody's going to see it. You got to go out there and you got to shine, man. You got to show these people what you're capable of doing and show them that you're valuable. Show them what you're capable of going after and tackling. When the boss tells you, here's the task, you go out there and you complete it. You don't want to have to be asking him 100 million questions throughout the day because he's babysitting you. So a little bit of word of advice. Go out there, master your plan. Plan the master and be the master of your own craft. For years, I've put hard dedication into my welding, MIG, TIG, and stick, and all these processes. I've tried to tackle all the metals that you could put together with this. It's like glue, but with metal, and it's hot and it burns. And I got scars all up and down my arms from catching burns. So take safety serious. Put on the right equipment. Go and get yourself some Southern Colorado hats and jackets because you know dang well they're going to protect you out there. I'm just a simple guy, guys, and a normal guy. I live a normal life. I don't live this extravagant life, but a lot of things I don't do is I don't bring people into my personal life because this is my personal life. But what I will share with you is my personal belief, my personal opinion and experience of things. And you can take it as you want. You can throw it away or you can grab it up and snatch it. For years, I've done that, man. People will absorb or will put the information in my mind and I'll just absorb it, Learn from it. People are out here to help you if you want to have help. And people will be out there to destroy you if you want to let them destroy you. Well, I'll tell you what, I've had haters for years. Ever since I was a little kid. I could run faster. I could break dance faster, I could talk to the girls and they would like me. And people have hated on me my whole life. I'd go to the welding test and I'd be the last person to start and I'd be the first person to be done. Because I'm focused. I'm concentrated on what I need to do. And I love welding with a passion. You guys have seen it for years and years. Now, what I might be able to do as I'm a welder, you might not be able to duplicate or replicate. And I'll tell you what, it's fine. Everybody's different. You can go out there and you can learn these skills out there and you can develop something that nobody else can have, right? For years and years, I've just done that. I just chased my dreams and I've chased my plans and I've just gone after it because I knew in the end I was going to get there. And when this whole world came to, a crashing down pandemic, I was ready because we never knew what was going to happen. But if I ever had to be in a situation, I wanted to be prepared. And I expect you guys to be prepared. And like I always say, quit focusing on the outcome. Focus on the income. The families need it now. And for all this welding out there, it's cool to be a pipeliner. It's cool to be a rig welder, but it's not everything. Welding could really get you far. Learn how to master all those techniques. Learn how to fit and fabricate all that stuff. Because someday, it might become very valuable to what you're going to do. And yeah, I might have cut the beard up and cleaned the hair up a little bit because I want a better presentation for when I go out there and I'm selling my business. Remember, I'm Wally's Welding World LLC, and I got something to offer people, man. I can read blueprints, I can lead crews, I can MIG, I can TIG, and not only that, I'll push a broom, I'll dig with a shovel. I got no pride in all that. I'm not prideful, man. Nah, I might not want to go clean toilets, but if it all pays the same, why not? Be humble about what you do in your work. Love your life, love your people, and remember, these small businesses, they count on you. So when you talk about you want to keep the small businesses open, well, participate, Put the mask on as sad as it is, because the people not participating and being selfish about their own, selfish ways and beliefs is what's holding it all back. And as sad as it is, it's the truth. I as well, man, have to participate and do my part. And I expect everybody else to do their part. We all got to team together and be together, because the moment we separate ourselves, it's just chaos. And you've seen the world go to chaos over some elections and, just people rioting over ill-minded stuff, Get your mind right, learn to be sharp, and go after your dream, your ambition, your plan, whatever it is, man. I'm here to support you all the way. And again and again and again, I tell you, focus on the income, don't focus on the outcome.